Terminator will be our first customer line for the week, office. Out of San Diego, this is Jonathan Markham, Fremont Pilot Afternoon. Make some noise, let's get him out there, let's in the air. Jonathan
No, pero lo más de dónde están. ¿Vas a tiene video?
What you just witnessed right there, ladies and gentlemen, was the RII. That's the radio in my hand right here. There's one on the other side as well. It's a remote ignition interrupter showing that we are in control of the train truck.